a town where the steeple cast no shadow at noon, lived a blacksmith named Nathan, young steady as June. He forged iron with fire, raised children with grace, till the sheriff rode up with that smile on his face. There's a ride in the night, the lawman did say, where the good men ride strong to keep evil away. But the hoods weren't for justice, their torches betrayed what the sermons and silence had hidden by day. Now the cross is in flames and the riders wear white, but Nathan saw darkness behind all that light. He turned from the fold, left the horse and the brand. Now he's marked by the ghost of that cruel, bitter land. He had knelt by their circle, had sworn in the dust, till the first lash was drawn and the blood spoiled his trust. He saw fear in the faces of men they condemned, and he felt the steel twist in the soul of a friend. So he spat on the oath, dropped the rope to the floor, told the sheriff, "You ride for the devil, not more. But the Ku Klux Klan don't pardon, and they don't forget. They came like a plague in the smoke and the sweat." Now the cross is in flames and the riders wear white, but Nathan saw darkness behind all that light. He turned from the fold, left the horse and the brand. Now he's bound to the earth by the sins of their clan. They dragged him through nightfall, past cactus and bone, to a pit in the desert where mercy won't roam. With just his head showing, they left him to die, while the stars blinked in silence high over the sky. He whispered through thirst, "Lord, I've stumbled and strayed. Let the devil take me, but let my children be saved. Watch over my Mary, hold her when I'm gone. Tell my boy not to carry what his father done wrong." And the wind moved like wings, and the moon softly cried for the soul of a man who had nothing to hide. No monument marks where he struggled and bled, just the sand and the silence and the tears he had shed. Now the cross is in flames and the riders still ride, but Nathan found truth in the jaws of their pride. He walked through the fire, left his name in the sand. Now he rides with an angel, far from their command. There came down a light on the hush of the plain, a figure in white, untouched by the pain. He knelt by the blacksmith and offered his hand, said, "Rise now, my brother, I'll lead you to land." No wrath in his voice, just the calm of the skies, a star in his brow and the truth in his eyes. He whispered, "Your journey is over, well done." And they walked into glory before the first sun.